Hi Vogue Philippines, it's Megan Young, and it's time to get unready with me. So I actually just finished a shoot with Vogue Philippines, and we're gonna take off all this makeup, and I'm gonna show you what my nighttime skincare routine is like. So let's start. The easier that I can take off this makeup, the better, because I don't like rubbing my face too much, and I also discovered that having a pad that you can wash over and over again is more environmentally friendly. So we're gonna go in and just, instead of wiping it right off, I'm just gonna hold it in and kind of wait for it to set. So I guess that's a trick pag meron kayong sinusuot na eyelashes. Ibabad nyo muna sa makeup remover kaysa mahirapan kayo at masaktan kayo dahil ayaw natin yung paulit-ulit tayong nasasaktan. Oh, dapat happy. Yes, totoo ko, Philip Patayan. Okay, and now we will remove the rest with a light swipe. And I remember nung nagpa-pageant ako, grabe ako makaubos ng makeup remover to the point na kahit na natatanggal ko siya the next day, ang dami ko pa rin eyeliner, ang dami ko pa rin mascara na nasa mukha ko dahil sobrang kapal ng makeup na nilalagay sa amin kapag pageant. It came to the point that I just stopped wearing makeup altogether. Parang feeling ko na damage yung skin ko. But now I'm taking care of it. I have better ways of taking care of my skin. So we're on that journey to nourishing our skin. I actually go for another round sa mata ko kasi baka may naiwan pa na mascara or eyeliner. I'll use the same cleansing pad but the other side. And then I also use Bioderma for this, but this is more of a micellar water makeup remover. I like it because I have very sensitive skin. Very gently again on the other side. Before, I actually would not be as confident as I am now in front of the camera when it comes to being barefaced. Kasi I guess for the longest time na nagpa-pageant ako, parang I was so used to just wearing makeup and people seeing me wear makeup na kung wala yun, parang, wow, will they look at me differently or will they see my imperfections na natatago naman ng makeup? My next step is actually a toner pad from MediHeal. Na-discover ko lang to through TikTok. I saw somebody talk about it and how it did wonders for her skin. So, tama-tama nung nag-Korea ako, binili ko siya dahil mas mura. I used to be so insecure about showing my bare skin because I felt na haggard siya, kaka-makeup ko, or I felt na parang ma-judge nila ako kasi hindi ako perfect. Pero syempre, medyo bata pa ako noon at iba talaga yung, I guess, idea ko when it came to beauty because of the pageant life and the expectations that people really had. So even the things that I would post online, it was all like, I guess, not really showing the complete side of me or showing the different facets of my life. Hanggang sa isang araw, sabi ni Mikael sa akin, tingnan mo yung Instagram mo, puro mukha mo lang. At that point, I was like, puro mukha ko lang yung nakikita nila. And sometimes, yeah, it gets the likes. Definitely, people love seeing beauty and glam, but what did they really know about Megan? So that's when I started posting everyday things about my life, about the things that I love, about the things that I love doing, and showing me and my bare element. I'm really glad that I got to show that side of me because at least I didn't have to pretend or parang always have to put up a front. Parang if I felt like posting something at that moment, even if it meant na wala akong makeup, okay lang sa akin. But since we're done, I'm going to rub it in a little bit para we get all of that serum. Dahil sayang naman, pati dito sa braso, kailangan din natin ilagay para moisturize talaga. This moisturizer, I've used this for maybe past 10 years. And because my skin is so sensitive, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream has been something that I always purchase also. And it came to the point that pinapa-refill ko na lang siya. So, sobrang dami talaga. So, ilang taon na ba tong bote na to? Hindi ko alam to siya. Mababot na siya sa ganung punto. But, I guess going back to the transition of pageants to the Megan that you guys know today, parang, I guess it came to the crossroad na hindi ko alam ano ba yung gagawin ko pagkatapos. And I finally realized that I love creating art in the form of videos. And it just so happened na Mikaela and I were already vlogging and, just taking any form of video that we could. Kasi naisip namin, what are we going to do with the rest of our lives if we're not going to document it? At least we'll have something to show our kids. In the future, we'll have something to show our family and our friends. So parang afterwards, I was like, okay, let's bring my love for film and for videos to life. Because I did study film. Mikaela and I are putting up a studio. Yay! So it's under construction right now. Parang what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to help our friends produce more content. We'll be able to produce more kinds of podcasts. So getting to be able to experience or curate different kinds of content na hindi pa namin natatry is something that I'm really looking forward to. I love telling stories. I love trying out new things. So it's really a life of exploration. Because this is my nighttime skincare routine, I am going to move from the face to the body. And this is actually a pretty new discovery for me. I did not know that you could take care of your underarms with serum. So kung kanina nagsiserum ako dito, meron na rin serum for the underarms, and I've been using this Dove Radiant Care Deo Serum. So it has 3% niacinamide and it has 10 times more collagen in it. What it does is it nourishes your underarm, especially kung ikaw ba nagsishave ka parate o imagine mo mag-wax ako every week and a half or shave pag biglaan may shoot. Sobrang kawawa yung kilikili ko nun. On a more serious note, I'm just happy that I have something that can help nourish my underarms and make it more radiant. At hindi ako naiilang na magsuot ng mga sleeveless or parang pag may biglaan shoot, I don't have to worry kasi alam ko inaalagaan ko yung skin ko. So every night, I put on this Deo Serum. Cute siya. Pwedeng-pwede siya sa mga kikay-kit mo. And I just use this much for both of my underarms. Walang hiyaan dito ah. Why? Because I'm confident na. Oh, ganyan. So, konting Deo Serum lang at night. I also use the roll-on in the morning, by the way. But with that, we are done with my nighttime skincare routine. Megan in her Radiant Girl era. Love it. Confident, happy, and radiant. And with that, we are done. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night.